If you want to extend your display with this mobile or another PC, you can try this. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is me Jahid back again with another video. So as of now, we have to download GlideX from Play Store, or if you have iPhone, then you have to download this application from App Store. After installation, we have to agree this privacy notice. Got it. So here is the tutorial, but we have to click on skip because I don't want to see that. So if you can see, there are lots of options over there, but we are going to extend our display. So we are going to install this application on our computer. So search GlideX. And if you can see, I used Microsoft Store, and you can see the GlideX here, and this is powered by Asus. So I had this application installed in my computer before, that's why it show open. So you have to download this if you don't have installed in your PC. Here you can see there are lots of features, but if you don't have the paid application, you can't use all the features. Click on search for device under the extend feature. But one thing, remember that we have to connect it in the same network, both device. So you can see here is the device Redmi Note. So it will trying to connect the device and sending a notification on mobile. You have to click on accept, and you can see it successfully connected the device, and you can see our computer screen. If you want to shift any application under the screen, you have to drag this on the right side. You can see our application already shifted. So here you can see our application already shifted, and our mouse cursor you can see, and it's really working fluently. You can see this is really fluently working. You can see there are very smooth transition. If you don't have any touchscreen PC, then it will be your first touchscreen PC, and you can see it will work fluently. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.